In the heart of the wilderness, waterfalls can be both mesmerizing and perilous. Learning to navigate them safely can be a game changer for any adventurer. An experienced survival expert explains the crucial steps to safely descend a waterfall, a skill that's as thrilling as it is vital. From selecting the right equipment, like ropes and harnesses, to understanding water currents and possible hazards, mastering these techniques can transform a potential danger into a manageable challenge. Safety begins with checking the water depth before descent, continuously assessing the strength of the current, and ensuring you're equipped with a secure life vest. With these expert tips, descending waterfalls becomes a test of skill and preparation, offering both exhilaration and safety.